Hey trackies, welcome back to another video here on TXT Track Time. Please remember to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. Trackies, our young princess starlet Briana Williams has drawn her 2023 season to a close. Yes, it's wrapped up, done and dusted. Yesterday was the last race in Italy and she posted 11.22 seconds and she's like, all right, it's time to go and have some fun and take a break.
Team chemistry? Yeah. Okay, show us how.
So Tracky, she said in her Instagram post, my 2023 season has finally wrapped itself up and it's time to enjoy a little off season. Yes, let your hair down, have some fun and party. No, she didn't say that. I just, put that little part in. So she says, no long stoppy caption this time. Yeah, because she always writes, a long post on Instagram. Now she says, I'm really grateful to have finished my last race healthy and injury free. This year had many downs than ups, but it's all part of the process as an athlete. With my hard work, dedication, and faith in God, I know He has bigger and better plans for me in store. Anyways, thank you for all the support throughout the season. It truly is heartwarming. All right, so there you have Briana Tracky. She is now heading off to, let her hair down and take a break. Enjoy, as he said, a little off season. But Trackies, let's look back at Briana Williams' season this year. And as she said in her caption, there are a lot of downs, even more downs than there were ups. But Trackies, if I had to caption Briana's season myself, I would definitely say Briana to me this season showed a lot of strength, a lot of resilience, because I'm telling you, those injuries would make you second guess yourself. And of course, she remained focused, determined, and put in hard work, Trackies, to get an end result. And the end result was she ended up with a silver medal from the World Championships, leading her team. Yes, right out the blocks, the first leg, leading her team in the heats for the women's 4x100 meters that eventually qualified and, of course, won a silver medal at the World Championships. But as I said, Trackies, it has been a rough season for Briana Williams. A lot more downs than there were ups. Now, at the beginning of her season, she switched coaches. Yes, this was a big deal. She changed coaches from her longtime coach, Otto Bolden, and then began training at the Gregory Little and Michael Frater-led Titans Track Club in Jamaica. Trackies, she pretty much uprooted her entire lifestyle in the United States and started a new training program here in Jamaica, where she now resides. And Trackies, as many of you all should know, moving to a new location always comes with its challenges, which is completely different from visiting occasionally, which we know she's always done. She's always visited Jamaica throughout the season, but it's a complete different thing to uproot your whole lifestyle and now move to said place. Trackies, it must have been very difficult for her to make that transition. So Tracky's new life began training in Jamaica and things were going pretty much how you would expect them to go when you uproot your life. Not so smoothly, but I would say that things were going pretty good until she suffered her few injury setbacks early in the season. Those injuries did set her back quite a bit, but she still remained focused and put in the hard work to get back in shape. Now, Trackies, the target was always the national championships. However, right before the national championships, just a week out, she also suffered another setback. Now, Trackies, this is what she had to say as it relates to what happened during that moment. The unexpected had happened to me the week before trials where I had gotten injured. It was a case where you would say to yourself, why me? Why now? After everything was just coming together. As the days went by, I kept thinking, will I be able to perform the way I want to at trials? But I'm a firm believer in everything happens for a reason. while doing everything I could to be able to run without any pain, even though I was hardly able to run at the time. I gained more confidence to just fight my way through the days leading up, and even though I would have wanted a better performance and outcome despite going through so much this year, I can gratefully say that I gave my everything in the final, and I still made another world championship team, placing fourth, and finished all my races healthy with a season's best. While I was counted out and doubted on the whole season, I was still able to defy the odds again. This season is definitely teaching me what patience means, and I don't mind because I know what God has in store for me is greater. I look forward to the rest of my season and to represent Team Jamaica again at this year's World Championships. Thank you to all that helped me daily to get through this. I couldn't have done it without you. Thank you to everyone for their love and support you continue to show me. So, track is, yes, she was definitely doubted and counted out, but she defied all odds to place fourth at our national championships, to land herself or to secure herself a spot on the team to represent Team Jamaica in Budapest. Now, Chucky, she also did say that the season taught her a lot about patience.
I actually was saying to myself the other day that it's like when you do so well as a junior, they expect you to just when you're in senior stage or a professional athlete, they just expect you to just get up and run these crazy times, and it's like it takes time. You don't see everyone running 10-5 all automatically. It takes time. It takes years. Well, so far, I'm looking forward to the rest of the days and trainings and relay classes as well. Especially jumping into a new camp, you have to get used to the new environment, new training programs, and that's what I've been doing. And I know going into next year, I know what I have to do differently. This year taught me patience, and I've also had a lot of setbacks with a lot of injuries. I didn't even think to be in the finals at trials, and no one expected me to even be in there. But I always have a way of finding how to get through it. So I'm really happy with my fourth place despite everything going this season. And I'm still going. I still have more meets after World Champs, so I'm looking forward to that. Definitely be I was worrying a lot, because I'm just like, why am I always getting injured? It's like, Briana, it's new programs you're not used to, and so they've kept me grounded and helped me to get past the rough moments because it wasn't easy. There are times where I feel like I'm just like, I'm tired of this, but it's just like you have really happy moments, and trials showed me how strong I was. So I'm bringing that in for the next season as well.
And I'm going to use that patience that Briana learned this season and in turn flip it on us, the fans of the sport, watching and waiting to see these athletes perform great each and every time. Sometimes we just need to have patience and things don't always go smoothly. This has been a rough, topsy-turvy season for Briana Williams. A lot of changes, but with all said and done, she still walked away from the season with another medal representing Team Jamaica at the senior level, a silver medal at the World Championships. So, Briana Williams, congratulations on this season. It wasn't the best, but you still performed at your best and, of course, walked away with a silver medal as a result. And we look forward to seeing what you will bring in 2024 as we await your return to bigger and better things again for Team Jamaica. Continue repping that flag high. Yeah. And again, let your hair down now. It's time to party. I jam down your day. Well, I don't know if you'll be vacationing in Jamaica, but if you are, you don't know the party scene. Always turn up. Enjoy yourself. I'll see you in your track gears for the beginning of the 2024 season. Track is sound off in the comment section below. Like the video and of course subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.